in Prescott, in the National Forest of Prescott, Arizona. My name is Dulce, aka Sweet La Palomina. Welcome. We are here this beautiful morning, Sunday, May 25th, 7:35 a.m. We're about to do this. It's a 1.75 mile uphill. Honestly, that was pretty intense, but I guess it's done. Kiro did like a piece of cake. And beautiful day. I want to thank God for the opportunity to be here. 2025 is turning out to be pretty good. After all, this is a day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice, you will rejoice, we will all rejoice, and we will be glad in it. That's gonna be the Bible. That's gonna be the Bible verse of the year. We're going up. Honestly, that was pretty intense, but I guess it's done. Kiro did like a piece of cake. Either I need to lose tons of weight. My stomach got upset. I felt like I was going to throw up. And look at my husband. Yes, he's pretty strong and healthy. Gracias a Dios, lo hicimos. Ahora la bajada. I couldn't talk. I told my husband, don't talk to me. It's because I don't know. Because ¿cuántos pies estamos, mijo? We're really high. And oh my gosh, my stomach's already. I feel like throwing up. But it is pretty intense. Thank God we did it. Right here is all rock. No, well, the downhill is really easy. This is how high we are. We did it 45 minutes. We're going for the second round. The uphill is the hard part. My husband's going